Hello everyone! So today, I'm gonna discuss the two apps where you can invest sa US stocks dito sa Pilipinas. So yung first one is yung GoTrade app. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a mock cash in so we can compare the rates on both trading app. So I'm gonna do a mock cash in of 15,000 pesos so we can check how much it's gonna be with the fees and the conversion rate to the US dollars. So we're gonna try the BPI. Since yun yung pinakamura. So, here's the 15,000. So, as you can see, 15,000 is equivalent to $263.19 sa GoTrade app. And also, GoTrade app will charge you 0.10 cents dollars if you trade on one stocks. So, you have to take note of that kasi baka ma-charge kayo pag sobrang daming stocks na pag titradean nyo. The next app is the Invesco app. And so, magmamak cash in din tayo using BPI para same. So, I'm gonna do again the 15,000 pesos and how much it's convert to US dollars. So, as you can see, $264.40 siya. So, makakatipid kayo ng few dollars. But it's still your preference kung anong pipiliin nyo. Invesco app does not charge trading fees. So, makakatipid nga kayo kasi kahit gaano kadaming stocks yung i-trade nyo, walang charge.